2D transformation. 2D means an object having only two dimensions, such as width and height. 2D transformation process is used to change in either position or orientation or size or shape of the graphic objects like line, circle, ellipse, rectangle, polygon, etc. All these objects are consisting of finite number of coordinates. Transformation is used to alter the coordinate of objects. Some basic transformations are translation, rotation, scaling, reflection, and sharing. 2D translation. Translation process is used for moving an object from one position to another in a two-dimensional plane. In this picture, the object O has to be moved from one position to another in 2D plane. X volt and Y volt are the initial coordinate of the object O. After translation, the coordinate of the object is x nu and y nu. Tx and ty are translation vector. Tx defines how much distance the x volt coordinate has to be moved. Ty defines how much distance the y volt coordinate has to be moved. Translation is achieved by adding the translation vector Tx and Ty to the old coordinates. The translation matrix is written by using the above equations. The matrix form is x nu y nu equal x volt y volt plus Tx Ty. 2D scaling. Scaling process is used to modify or alter the size of objects. Scaling is used to increase or reduce the size of objects. If the scaling factor is greater than 1, then the object size is increased. If the scaling factor is less than 1, then the object size is reduced. This picture shows that how the object has to be scaled in 2D plane. X volt, y volt are the initial coordinates of the object O. Sx, Sy are the scaling factors. These factors are used to change the size of an object. After scaling, the coordinate of the object is x nu, y nu. Scaling is achieved by the scaling factor is multiplying with the old coordinates. The matrix form is written by using the above equations. The matrix form is x nu y nu equal Sx 0 0 Sy into x volt y volt. 2D rotation. This process is used to rotate an object with respect to an angle. In this picture, the object O has to be rotated from one angle to another. Rotation is achieved by using the following equations. X nu equal x volt into cos theta minus y volt into sin theta. Y nu equal x volt into sin theta plus y volt into cos theta. In matrix form, the above equations may be represented as x nu y nu equal cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into x volt y volt.